Hey guys, how are you? So I hope all is good and welcome back to Obsessive Car Desires. So I have come with another video and today I have with me this, the Maruti Suzuki Swift. So guys, we are going to review this car, but before that, those who have not subscribed, please quickly subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Also follow our Instagram page to never ever miss any update. So let's start with the review. So guys, this blue color thing is the key fob of the Maruti Suzuki Swift. This is the newly launched Swift in 2019 and there are two buttons given, one for locking and the other for the unlocking. So now let's check out the front profile of this car. So there is a big Suzuki logo which is given in chrome at the center, and there is a massive grille which is black in tone. The design is very nice. There are strips and there are gaps to allow the air to flow through the radiator. And this is the design of the headlamps. These are halogen headlamps with turn indicators integrated into it, and the design is very nice, very unique, which gives the car a very unique look. And at the down there are circular halogen fog lamps, and ये जो black strip है वो connect होती है दूसरे fog lamp तक, which gives the car a very nice look, very sporty look. And especially this car looks very nice in this white color because जो contrast है black और white का वो बहुत ही अच्छा दिखता है, बहुत ही उठ के दिखता है. So now let's open the hood of this car. We'll find some insulation and there is a plastic treatment given here, probably given for the locking of this hood. And this is the 1.2 liter petrol engine, to be precise it is 1197 cc, which produces 83 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and 115 newton meter of torque at 4000 rpm. So there is a lot of space given here inside. I don't know why the space is being given. The same is the case in the XL6. So this is because of the boxy design. So now let's quickly move on to the side profile of this car. So first we will check out the tires. So these are 185/65 R15 tires, you can see here. So these are basically 15-inch tires, and if you look at the rims, there is a Suzuki logo at the center and there are 4 nuts given, and the rim is in silver color. Now if you check the ORVMs, that is outside rear view mirrors, there is a turn indicator integrated into it, and there are strips, small strips which are flowing if you check into the detail. So now this is the side profile of this car. Actually because of the side angle it is looking very weird, the angle is weird, so I will move back. So guys, this is the side view of this car, and actually they have kept the design very simple, and this is the signature design of the Swift. The B pillar is all black, and ये जो discontinuation in connection है वो बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है, बहुत ही जच रहा है, and the handle is actually here and not here. So this is also a unique feature in this car. And this is the back profile of this car. So the back profile जो है वो काफ़ी similar है जो कि previous model थी Swift की. Especially ये जो portion है वो आपको quickly connect करेगा previous Swift से. So there are some minor tweaks being given. There is antenna given for the radio, and there is no spoiler given, and this is the stop lamp, the center stop lamp, this is the washer, and this is the wiper, the rear wiper, and these are the defogger lines. So there is a Suzuki logo at the center, a Swift badging at the left hand side, and there is nothing given on the right hand side of boot. So there are parking sensors given. There are 4 parking sensors given as per the BS6 norm. So this is a BS6 vehicle. And now if you check the design of the tail lamps, these are LED tail lamps. These are LED lights and they glow when you apply the brakes, and this is a strip which glows when you put on the lights, and this is a turn indicator and a reverse light given. So the lights look very nice in the night, and this design I was talking about is the signature design of the Swift. अभी हम लोग चेक करते हैं कि बूट के अंदर कितना स्पेस है. सो देयर इज़ अ बटन गिवन हियर जो कि ओनली की फॉब जब आपके पास है तभी खोल सकते हो आप. सो देयर इज़ अ सॉफ्ट बटन देयर एंड देयर आर 2 हैंडल्स गिवन. जनरली एक हैंडल दिया होता है बंद करने के लिए. सो दिस इज़ द बूट स्पेस. दिस इज़ 204 liters boot space when all the 2 rows are opened. Also there is a light and a hook as well, which Suzuki has newly introduced in their cars to be competitive in the market. And we have the tool box here जो कि almost all Maruti cars में यहाँ पे ही positioned होता है, which is very nice, very accurately given. And these are 2 ISOFIX mounts for child support, child seat support. Also the lip height of the boot is moderate. आप easily बैग उठा के अंदर रख सकते. And now let's close on the boot and move ahead to the inside of this car. So this is the handle given here and not in the standard position. So there were memes also on this design. And now this is how the door looks from the inside. So if you check, the window size is too small, and this is the plastic material. There is no soft material given, and this is the handle for opening, and there is a lock given. Also there is a button given for operating the windows, and there is some space given where you can keep some stuff, and also it acts as a handle. ये एक bottle holder है. You can never imagine this as a bottle holder because hardly a bottle can fit in. And apart from this, there is no space given for keeping some stuff. So guys, this is the rear seat of this car. And now let's check out the leg room and the headroom as well. So this is the leg room. So a decent leg room has been given. The front seat is positioned according to my height. There is enough leg room here, although the under thigh support is missing here. There is some space underneath the seat, so you can stretch your legs and relax for a long journey. Also, if you check here, there is a central tunnel, so the third person sitting in the middle seat will find difficulty in sitting while on long journeys. Also, there is a bottle holder provided for the rear passengers, but there is no charging socket provided. So there is a handle provided here for the passenger sitting at this position, and this is the rear view of the car. There is a parcel tray where you can keep handy stuff, and these are adjustable headrest. Actually जो चारों headrest दिए है वो पूरे adjustable है, so that is a good option. This is a handle given for the passenger sitting at my position, and you can check the headroom. It is okay, it is not good, it is not bad, but it is fine. Also जो rear seat है वो split होती है 50-50 में, so आप कुछ सामान रखने के लिए भी काम आता है, so that is a good thing. And this is the view of the dashboard from the rear seat. So it looks very dashing and very nice. So without wasting any time, let's quickly move on. यहाँ से बाहर निकलते हैं, and now I will take you to the driver's seat, the driver's position of this car. So जो इंटीरियर दिया गया है वो all black tone है, so it gives the car a very sporty look. And this is the view of the door, the front door. जो डोर का ओपनिंग है वो अच्छा खासा वाइड है, और जो विंडो साइज़ है वो भी अच्छी बड़ी है. So that's a nice thing. Now there are some buttons here. This is a lever given for unlocking and opening the door as well. Then these buttons are for operating the ORVMs, that is the outside rear view mirrors. They are automatic refractable mirrors. And these 4 buttons are for operating all the 4 windows from the driver's side. One thing cool here is the driver's automatic operated window. मतलब एक ही touch पे वो window ऊपर या नीचे हो सकती है. So that is a cool thing here. So now these levers are for operating the positioning of the seat, with which one can easily adjust the height as well as the reclination according to his position or his comfortable position. So guys, this is the view of the new Swift steering. This is a 3-spoke steering, और मुझे लगता है बहुत सारी सुजुकीज़ में ये आपने देखा रहेगा जो नए सुजुकीज़ लॉन्च हुए हैं BS6 नॉर्म्स के साथ, उसमें यही स्टीयरिंग आपको देखने को मिलता है. Out of these 3 buttons, the 2 buttons are for receiving and rejecting the call, and the third button is for connecting to the Bluetooth. So this silver lining gives the steering a premium look, and no controls on the right hand side. ये है horn इस गाड़ी का. And now I will take you to the console to check the details. So on the left hand side there is a tachometer, and on the right hand side there is a speedometer. So the top speed is 220. At the center there is an MID display which is black and white, and above that there is a space given for the indicators. And guys, स्पेशली ये जो राउंड सर्कल्स है टैकोमीटर और स्पीडोमीटर पे, वो आपको और ज़्यादा क्लियर व्यू देते हैं जब भी आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो. Now these two knobs are for changing the settings in the MID screen. Now these are the controls given for the wipers to control the wipers, the front and the rear, and on the other side there are controls for indicators and the headlamps. Now the wipers are decent, they clean the glass very quickly. Now this is the music system. The music system is not infotainment because this is the ZXi variant and it comes in the ZXi Plus variant. So guys, this is one of the difference between ZXi and ZXi Plus. So these are air vents for the ACs. So the air vents are also very nice. Now check the quality of music and speakers, they are nice. And guys, one of the things which I liked in this car is these AC controls. So there are 3 circles given. The outside ring of the first circle is for operating the fan speed. So that is very nice. The second circle does not have a ring, but there is a display here, and the third circle is for operating the temperature. There is a mode button given here, and all the other buttons are very soft to touch and are very nicely designed. Down here there is a 12-volt socket for charging of the phones, and also a USB and an aux. So this is the only charging section where you can charge your mobiles or any other devices. And there are 2 cup holders for placing some cups. So these are not cooled cup holders, these are only standard cup holders. And now this car comes with AMT gearbox if you opt for automatic. And as usual there are 3 modes: reverse, neutral and D. You also get a manual mode in the AMT gearbox. So there is no parking gear for this AMT gearbox, and there is a silver lining going across the dashboard, and it gets continued till the handrest, and there is a soft cushioning given to the handrest near the doors. This is a parking brake, और कुछ जगह है उसके नीचे कुछ सामान रखने के लिए. And these two are for locking the seat belts, which are very necessary and compulsory as well in this BS6. And guys, these are the seats provided by the Suzuki in this ZXi variant, and there is a lot of lumbar support to the back and to the thighs of the person sitting at the front. So there is a brake lever and an accelerator lever, and there is no clutch obviously because this is an automatic version. And I will now show you the glow box. So this is a decent glow box being given. There is no cooling function given here in the glow box. This is an IRBM, that is inside rear view mirror, with a shifter given for manual adjusting or manual dimming at night. The cabin light is decent, and there is a mirror given for the co-driver in the co-driver's sun visor, but the problem is that it is very unclear. This is the auto start stop button given, and there is a headlight leveler below it, and there are number of dummy switches given for installation of any other accessories. So now, without wasting any further time, let's take this Swift for a quick ride and check the performance of this car. Now let's talk about the performance of this car. So guys, ये जो कार है वो मानी जाती है अपनी स्पीड और अपने इंजन के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ, वेरी स्विफ्ट. ये कार उसको 100% जस्टिस दे रही है. बहुत मज़ा आता है चलाने में. इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ. इट टचेज 80 km/h वेरी स्विफ्टली, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग अबाउट इट. और शिफ्टिंग है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी स्मूथ. ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता है, बट थोड़ा AMT होने के कारण थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस पता चलता है, थोड़ा सा जर्क मिलता है कभी कभार. अगर एकदम से उसने गियर लोअर डाउन किया तो थोड़ा सा जर्क मिलता है, बट दैट इज़ अ नेचुरल थिंग. दैट इज़ द बेसिक फंडामेंटल थिंग अबाउट AMTs. सो इसमें गाड़ी का कोई कसूर नहीं है, बट एज अ होल पैकेज इट इज़ वेरी नाइस. सो गाइस, आज अपने साथ ये गाड़ी के ओनर है, तो उनसे मिलते हैं. हेलो, वेलकम टू ऑब्सेसिव कार डिज़ायर्स.
हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
या सो मुझे कुछ क्वेश्चंस है पूछने के लिए. आपने गाड़ी ये कब लिया था और कितने साल से यूज़ कर रहे हो आप?
मुझे लगभग शायद 1 साल हो गया गाड़ी यूज़ करके, और मतलब शायद जैन या फेब में लिया था ये साल ही.
So what is your review about this car?
आई एक्चुअली लाइक इट, मतलब ये क्लास में जो गाड़ियाँ हैं ना, उसके इसमें मैं बोलूँगा कि ये काफ़ी अच्छा है। मतलब मेरे पास ऑटोमेटिक है, सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम जो होता है वो जो गियर शिफ्ट होता है ना, तभी थोड़ा पावर लॉस फील होता है। और आप जब रेव करोगे तभी टॉर्क बहुत ज़्यादा है पावर के हिसाब से आप देखोगे तो। बट बाकी अगर देखोगे तो काफ़ी अच्छा है।
तो इसमें AMT गियर बॉक्स है, इसकी वजह से वो हो रहेगा।
हाँ करेक्ट।
ओके, सो गाइज ये था रिव्यू, एक सिंसियर रिव्यू ये ओनर के साथ। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। टाटा।